maganda yung background natin. Yan.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
How do you feel positive reviews?
Oh, so happy. Very, very happy. Sa lahat ng magandang reviews for Espantao, even the ones who don't want to eat. We welcome and we respect everybody's opinion. And yung mapabilang ka sa 10 pelikula for the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival is a gift to the soul. So we're happy to be here.
Ano pong masasabi po ninyo na ingay nyo po sa social media na isa daw po kayo sa magiging best actress?
Best actress in film supporting ba?
Wow! Parang dun palang panalo na kami.
Panalo na daw because we said that, panalo na.
Okay. So, grabe, again, sabihin na natin na kung cliche sabihin, di ba? Pero sa totoo, ang opinion ng mga moviegoers, it's very honest eh. That alone is an award on its own. So thank you. Nakakataba ng puso. Maraming salamat.
Should I manifestation for 2025?
Of course, more good projects. More time with my kids, my husband, and we'll see. Kasi ayoko nagpaplano. Mas maganda yung mga sorpresa. Like Espantao is a big surprise for me for 2024. It wasn't part of the plan. So I guess parang ganun na yung mangyayari. Ayoko na magplano and just go with my gut. Kasi ganun lang naman ang nangyayari dito sa Espantao. And it was a perfect project. I mean, hindi kami maraming cast, but it's a beautiful cast. I'm so proud of this project.
Chandra, manifestation for 2025.
That it'll be the greatest year ever for everyone, for you and me and all of the people who are close to your heart. Okay, first MMFF, na-nominate ako sa Best Actress along with Charito Solis and Vicky De Leon. Natalo ako doon, syempre, araw-araw, gabi-gabi, Charito Solis. Pero yung nomination pa lang, after 2 years in the business, hindi mo matatawaran yun. That was such a blessing.
And now you're back on the golden year of MMFF.
I know, 50 years.
Still gorgeous.
Diba? 50 years. Naku, at ngayon na ako nagkapagparada uli. Oo, kasi noong 1977, I had 4 entries. Ni-raffle na lang nila yung pangalan ko kung saan float ako. Gano'n naman talaga eh. Diba? Oo.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Good luck po. See you there.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Thank you, guys. Cast of the kingdom. Wow, what you feel the heat of the action of all the stars, all the directors, lahat sila nandito sa Solera Christ Ballroom. Right? Yun lang mga. Okay, kaya na namin ako present. So again, all these stars to be here and they're all celebrating their hard work for the past few months, for some even years, na pinagsama-sama nila sila to create these stories of the Filipino for this year's Metro Manila Film Festival. It's really amazing. Excited na panoorin in sense. You want to watch?
Dito po.
Hello, guys.
Hello, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Ron. Hi, Ron. Rolin.
Hi.
Reaction guys, grabe yung pasabog na comments sa uninvited.
Actually, hindi pa ako nagbabasa, pero everyone was telling me na ang ganda nga sa response ng mga tao. Just really, really grateful. Kasi R16 kami. So, parang medyo doon pa lang na-surprise na ako. But just really happy.
Kayo may potential for acting.
Wow! Sobrang di ako updated. No, but honestly, while watching the movie, sobrang, kasi I know the story. I've read the script. Pero I was still on the edge of my seat. Kasi lima kasi sila gano'n. Sobrang hindi ako umihinga. And I know that after, sabi ko sobrang ganda.
Gabi, your thoughts? Posible daw magka-revelation.
The gift is really working on this film with everyone. So all the accolades are just a plus. Syempre, we're so grateful that everyone took the time to watch, especially during the holidays. So just like Nadine said, we're so grateful.
Jello, Sir Aga.
Sir Aga, any message lang po? Best actor.
Congratulations sa lahat ng kasama dito sa panoorin mo lahat ng mga kasama. Thank you. Ron, ang lakas daw ng film sa iyo naging.
Yun po, gusto ko lang magpasalamat doon. Actually, hindi namin napag-usapan yun ni Nancy sa day one. Pero sobrang kaming masaya dahil nagugustuhan ng tao kung ano yung ginawa namin sa film. And kung meron man in the future, siyempre tatanggapin ko naman yun and sobrang saya ko.
Kuya Ketchup, grabe daw. Ang dami ko sa'yo. Gusto namin matin reaction.
Actually, pati asawa ko hanggang ngayon sa akin. Sarap yung pakiramdam ng human street pump. Yung pala yung pakiramdam kapag nagkakaroon.
Brian, reaction sa poster sa tagumpay ng uninvited so far.
And I'm just really happy with everyone. Everyone's we're very happy about the reactions. So overwhelmed. Nakita yung reaction sa things na akong sa passion sa akin sa pelikula. Pero very, very happy to see all the reviews. Very, very happy. Spread the word, guys. Spread the word. Thank you very much.
Salamat po.
Jello.
I'm sorry.
Thank you guys. Alright.
Yes. It is exciting to see them also support each other. I know that also go and watch their films, not just their films, but the films of their fellow actors in different, in the other films. Hindi sila kasama, pero nakita mo naman ang support lang sa isa't isa. Angela Lancer, one of our favorite actresses of all time, Miss Lorna Tolentino, nakasama sa pelikulang Espantajo.
I'm really walking.
Hello! Hello! Yes, hello, Miss Lorna. The Miss Lorna Tolentino. How are you? Ayun naman. Okay, fine too. Miss LT, wow, this is, you are, of course, we all know that you are a legendary actress. And how does it feel na 50 years na ang MMFF? And I'm sure napakarami mo ng pelikula na napasama sa many MMFFs.
That's one of the reasons.
Wow, okay. But I'm sure roll call mo 2007. Wow. Pero pati 10 years din ako. 10 years din sa dekada din yun. Eh, hindi pa kami na-fist ako. Ito ka na lang sa ibang hindi ko na ma-remember lahat. Marami akong napasok. How do you feel that
50 years na sila, 50 years na rin.
50 years na rin nasa part ng this? Of course. And hindi ka naman tumatanda po. Thank you. Hindi talaga. From before to now, you know. Thank you. Because LT is nothing. It's not always about that. So what are you most excited about for tonight? Your face is magnified 1,000 times.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Star Power.
Papa P, reaction lang, grabe yung popular comments sa The Kingdom mula sa mga nakanood na.
Parang yung pakiramdam na nakaluwag-luwag, nakahinga pagkatapos, pero hindi matapos ang laban. We want to be, of course, we want the festival to be successful. We want all the films to make it, not just critical commercial success, but also for the producers to get back their budget because syempre minsan na tayo gumawa ng ganito pag-grand pag-gather ng mga artista ng mga pelikula. So sana talaga we do this for Philippine cinema.
Mga dayang, pinuri ang inyong mga pang-arte. So, reaction.
Sobrang
overwhelming
po yung natatanggap ko, especially on social media. Everybody's been happy, everybody's been loving the movie. At the end of the day, yun lang naman yung gusto namin talaga ng producers na yun nga, magustuhan nila as much as we enjoy it.
Sabi na lahat. Basta kami happy kami na maraming
more exciting post-red carpet. Pakarami na lang nangyari sa kabilang panangalo tonight. #MMFF50.
Lahat tayo dapat manood ng pelikulang Pinoy.
Miss Ruby, grabe daw yung role mo bilang babaylan. Ang daming gustong gumawa ng costume. Magsuot ng costume mo. Ano pong role, ano pong masasabi ninyo?
Sobrang honored ako na tumitan ko. Hindi ko sukat akalain na sa akin ibibigay nila director. Bilang punong babaylan. So nakaka-challenge talaga. Dahil hindi naman ako talaga dancer, hindi naman alam yung gano'n. But I had...
You're an international star.
I really enjoyed doing it. Unang-una, napakaganda ng script, ng story. Ganun. Tapos, nung nakasama ko sila, ang gagaling nila. Tapos, ang babait. Yun pa. Sa akin, importante yun yung working environment. Na comfortable ako with my co-actors. That will bring out the best.
Direct, nabuhayan daw ng loob kapag hindi makabayan ng mga nanonood. Reaction.
Isa sa mga malaking objective namin yun is for the audience to be proud of being Filipino. Actually, yung first sequence pa lang nandun na ganun na yung atake. So, yun naman ang wish namin, that when you watch it, syempre may dala kayong lessons and syempre ma-entertain kayo, but also for you to be proud to be Filipino.
Photo lang po.
Okay.
Charot, nasa na bondes.
Salamat.
Lagi naman yun. Everyday.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Happy New Year.
Thank you po.
Guys, wait lang daw. Guys, wait lang. Wait lang.